வாழ்க வளமுடன். Today we'll discuss about another episode of vector algebra. The last class we completed the important topic, the planes. So definitely we'll expect one 10-mark question. Once again I'll tell you, practice, then only feel easy. So sum number 7 to 14 in exercise number 2.8 and example 50, 51, 52. If you know these problems, definitely we'll get one 10-mark in the public. So practice. If you have any doubt, we'll clarify in the next class. So now, today we'll discuss about the intersection of planes. Now let us consider there are two planes, r vector dot n1 vector equal to q1 and r vector dot n2 vector equal to q2. A plane passing through the intersection of planes, nothing but r vector dot n1 vector minus q1 plus some constant lambda r vector dot n2 vector minus q2 equal to 0. This is the plane passing through intersection of planes. So suppose the passing through the point is given, using that point find out lambda, substitute lambda here, we will get the equation of the plane. Second one, suppose if two lines given, with help of two lines, either we can draw the plane or we can't draw the plane. With help of skew lines, we can't draw the plane. If it is other than skew line means we can draw the plane. Skew lines means already we studied box A2 minus A1 comma U comma V equal to not equal to 0, we can't draw the plane. If intersection of planes means we can draw the plane. Third one, the distance from origin to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is modulus of d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Fourth one, the distance from x1 comma y1 comma z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. The last one, distance between the parallel planes. Distance between the parallel planes ax plus by plus cz plus d1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus cz plus d2 equal to 0 is modulus of d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. If two planes given, if you want to find out the plane passing through intersection of planes means equation of first plane plus lambda into second plane equal to 0. Second, suppose if two lines given, with help of these two lines, either we can draw the plane or we can't draw the plane means you have to verify either the given lines are skew lines or not. If the given lines are skew lines means we can't draw the plane. Condition for skew lines. Third one, distance from origin to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is modulus of d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. The distance from x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Distance between the parallel planes. Parallel planes means only differ by a constant. Modulus of d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Exercise number 2.9, sum number 1. Find the equation of plane which containing the two lines, x plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 by minus 3 equal to z plus z minus 3 by 4, and x minus 4 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 2 equal to z minus 8, nothing there means 1. So the plane containing the two lines, there are two different parallel vectors. Therefore, plane passing through a point and parallel to two different vectors, parallel to u vector and v vector. They ask only equation. Equation means only you have to find out the Cartesian equation. Plane passing through a point and parallel to two vectors means what is the Cartesian equation? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2 equal to 0. Read the question carefully. Find the equation of plane which contains the two lines. Equation means Cartesian equation. No need to find out the vector equation. X1, Y1, Z1 taken from the first line or second line, that is your choice. Minus 1, 2, 3. 1, M1 taken from the first line. Parallel, that is denominator, direction ratios. L2, M2, N2. 3, 2, 1. Substitute பண்ணலாமா? Substitute பண்ணி பாருங்க. Determinant x plus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, 2 minus 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 equal to 0. You know how to expand the determinant. X plus 1 into minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. Minus of y minus 2, 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. Plus z minus 3, 4 plus 9, that is 13 equal to 0. Minus 11x minus 11. Minus 10 into minus plus 10y minus 20. Plus 13z minus 39 equal to 0. Minus 11x plus 10y plus 13z minus 39 minus 20 minus 11, that is minus 70 equal to 0. Throughout multiply by minus. 11x minus 10y minus 13z plus 70 equal to 0. Plus 70 equal to 0. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க. Two lines கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Find the equation. That's why Cartesian equation. Two lines means two parallel. One point. Point either taken from the first line or second line, that is your choice. I taken first point from first line. This is parallel L1, M1, N1. Substitute and simplify, get the result. Clear? The second problem. Problem number 2. Can you draw a plane through the given two lines? Justify your answer. Already I told. Can you draw a plane? Vaartha vandave. Just have to verify the given lines are skew lines or not. If it is a skew line, we can't draw the plane. What is the equation given? R vector equal to I plus 2j minus 4k, 2j minus 4k plus t 2i plus 3j plus 6k, 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Second, R vector equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k plus s into minus 2i plus 3j plus 8k. Question read பண்ணுங்க. Can you draw a plane through the given two lines? Justify your answer. R vector equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus t into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. R vector equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k plus s into minus 2i plus 3j plus 8k. இது எந்த ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்குன்னா R vector equal to a1 vector plus tu and R vector equal to A2 vector plus SD vector. Question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா verify either can you draw the plane. என்ன verify பண்ணும்? Skew line or not. What is A1 vector? I plus 2j minus 4k. Already நம்ம இந்த sum போட்டிருக்கோம். What is A2 vector? 3i plus 3j minus 5k. What is u vector? 2i plus 3j plus 6k. What is v vector? Minus 2i plus 3j plus 8k. இதுவரை யாருக்குன்னா டவுட் இருக்கா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? What we have to calculate? A2 vector minus A1 vector. 3i minus i, 2i. 3j minus 2j, j. Minus 5k plus 4k minus k. நீங்க தனியா சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிங்கப்பா, டைரக்டா போடாதீங்க. கண்டிஷன் ஃபார் ஸ்கியூ லைன் என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? பாக்ஸ் A2 minus A1 கமா u கமா v கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. என்ன போடுவோம்? டிட்டர்மினன்ட் A2 minus A1 ஓட வேல்யூனா 2 1 minus 1, u னா 2 3 6, v ஓட வேல்யூ minus 2 3 8. expand பண்ணலாமா? 2 into 24 minus 18 minus 1 into 16 plus 12 minus 1 into 6 plus 6, 2 6 minus 28 minus 12, 12 minus 12 cancel, minus 28, answer 0 வரல. Not equal to 0 means the given lines are what type of lines? Given lines are skew lines. What lines? Skew lines. Skew lines la we can't draw the plane. We can't draw the plane. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. ரெண்டு லைன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. A1 vector, A2 vector, u, v கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். A2 vector minus A1 vector will get some result. Then box product of A2 minus A1 comma u comma v. Expand the determinant will get minus 28. Not equal to 0. Therefore, the given lines are skew lines. With help of skew lines, we can't draw the plane. We can't draw the plane. அடுத்தது பாருப்பா question number 3. Find the point of intersection of the line r vector equal to j minus k plus s into 2i minus j plus k and xz plane. And xz plane. What is the equation given? R vector equal to j minus k plus s into 2i minus j plus k. Which axis? XZ axis. Underline the word XZ axis. If you want to find out the point, with help of vector equation, we can't able to find out the point. First, we have to convert vector equation into Cartesian equation. What is the vector equation? The given vector equation r vector equal to a vector plus tv. We have to find out the corresponding Cartesian equation. What is the formula? X minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by m, z minus z1 by n. இதுல a vector na j minus k. From this we have to find out x1, y1, z1. 0, 1, minus 1. Plus L, m, n we have to find out. That is parallel vector. Parallel vector v vector. What is v vector? 2, minus 1, 1. Next you have to find out the Cartesian equation. X minus 0 by 2, y minus 1 by minus 1, z plus 1 by 1, x minus 0 by 2, y minus 1 divided by minus 1, z minus of minus plus 1 divided by 1. It is a what type of plane given? Intersection of xz plane. Intersection of which plane? XZ plane. XZ plane means which is equal to 0? Y equal to 0. Y 0 put என்ன வரும் பாருங்க? X by 2 minus 1 by minus 1 Z plus 1. That is X by 2 equal to 1, Z plus 1 equal to 1, Z equal to 0, X is equal to 2. Therefore, x comma y comma z, that is 2 comma 0 comma 0, because x is 2, y is 0, z is 0. Therefore, the point of intersection 2 comma 0 comma 0. அங்க வெக்டர் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. என்ன ஈக்குவேஷனா மாத்தணும்? ஈக்குவேஷனா மாத்தினாதான் பாயிண்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். அது எந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல இருக்கு? a plus tv. a plus tv நான் அர்த்தம் line passing through a point parallel to a given vector. அதுக்கு Cartesian equation என்ன ஃபார்முலா? x minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by m equal to z minus z1 by n. x1, y1, z1 தெரியுமா? lmn தெரியுமா? சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றோம். It is intersection of which plane? xz plane. xzல யார் இல்ல? y இல்ல. அதனால y equal to 0. Suppose xy plane னா போடுங்க z equal to 0. yz plane னா x is equal to 0. சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றீங்க. Compare these two, find out x, y, z. Clear? Sum number 4. Find the meeting point on the line r vector equal to 2i vector plus 3j vector, 2i vector plus j vector minus 3k vector, j vector minus 3k vector plus t 2i minus j minus k and the plane x minus 2y plus 3z plus 7 equal to 0. Question மறுபடியும் read பண்ற பாருங்க. Find the meeting point of the line R vector. Question number 4. Find the meeting point on the line R vector equal to 2i plus j minus 3k plus t into 2i minus j minus k and the plane x minus 2y plus 3z plus 7 equal to 0. இது என்ன equation பா? Vector equation. என்ன equation மாத்தணும்? Cartesian equation. இது எந்த ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கு? R vector equal to A plus TV. What is the corresponding Cartesian equation? X minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N. What is x1, y1, z1? Taken from the point. What is the point? 2, 1, minus 3. What is LMN? 2, minus 1, minus 1. So, in the point first you have to find out the equation of line. X minus 2 by 2, y minus 1 by minus 1, z plus 3 by minus 1. In the line of point convert panna equal to lambda. By x minus 2 equal to 2 lambda, y minus 1 equal to minus lambda, z plus 3 equal to minus lambda. Therefore, any point on the line two plus 2 lambda, 1 minus lambda, minus 3 minus lambda. This point on the plane 2 plus 2 lambda on the plane, which plane? X minus 2y plus 3z plus 7 equal to 0. What is x? 2 plus 2 lambda minus 2, 1 minus lambda plus 3 minus lambda plus 7 equal to 0. 2 plus 2 lambda minus 2 plus 2 lambda minus 9 minus 3 lambda plus 7 equal to 0. 4 lambda minus 3 lambda lambda, 9 minus 9 cancel, minus 2 goes that side plus 2. Substitute lambda equal to 2 here. 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, 1 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, therefore 6, minus 1, minus 5. The line and plane meet which point? 6, minus 1, minus 5. The line and plane meeting the point 6, minus 1, 5. என்ன equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Vector equation. என்ன equation மாத்தணும்? Cartesian equation. அதுல இருந்து என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Point. இந்த point எங்க இருக்கு? On the plane. On the plane, it satisfies the equation. Find out the value of lambda. Lambda with my substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா, you'll get the meeting point. அடுத்த question பாருங்க. Question number 5. Find the distance from origin to the plane. Distance from origin to the plane r vector dot 2i minus j plus 5k equal to 7. Read the question carefully. Find the distance from origin to the plane. இதுனா equation, vector equation. இதனுடைய corresponding Cartesian equation 2i means 2x minus y plus 5z minus 7 equal to 0. Question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க? Distance from origin to the plane. Distance from origin to the plane. Already I given the formula. Origin to the plane na formula napa? Modulus of d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. இங்க d ஓட வேல்யூ -7 by root of 2 square 4, 1, 5 square is 25. Modulus இருக்கும்போது minus becomes plus root 30. Root 30, that is distance equal to 7 by root 30. சரியா? வெக்டர் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. கார்ட்டீசியன் ஈக்குவேஷனை மாத்தனா பிளேன் ஒன்னும் இல்ல, ஐக்கு பதில் எக்ஸ், ஜேக்கு பதில் ஒய், கேக்கு பதில் இசட். +7 come this side -7 equal to 0. அடுத்த கொஸ்டின் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Find the distance between the parallel planes. Distance between the parallel planes. ரெண்டு பிளேன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. x minus y plus 3z plus 5 equal to 0. Second plane 2x minus 2y plus 6z plus 7 equal to 0. Parallel வார்த்தை வந்தாவே coefficient should be same. இங்க 2x இருக்கு, இங்க x இருக்கு. Either this equation divided by 2 or that equation multiplied by 2. Which is best? Multiplication. That's why 2x minus 2y plus 6z plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus 2y plus 6z plus 7 equal to 0. What is the distance between the parallel planes? Distance between the parallel planes. Parallel planes என்னப்பா distance? Modulus of d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. d1 என்றது 10 minus d2 means 7 by root of a 2 square 4, b 2 square 4, c 6 square 36. On simplification, that is 3 divided by root of 44. Therefore, distance between the parallel planes 3 by root 44. அப்படிங்க கவனிங்க, ரெண்டு பிளேன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. parallel planesனா coefficient should be same. இங்க ஒரு x, இங்க 2x. That's why this equation multiplied by 2. So another equation same. This is in the form of ax plus by plus cz plus d1 equal to 0. ax plus by plus cz plus d2 equal to 0. Distance between the parallel planes modulus of d1 minus 2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. 10 minus 7 a not 2 square 2 square 6 square. Simplify, I'll get the result. ரைட் அப்பா, அந்த எக்ஸசைஸ்ல இருக்க ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எல்லா ப்ராப்ளமும் நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்தது இதுல இருக்கிற சில எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் மட்டும் பார்க்க போறோம். எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்பர் 2.9ல சம் ஆஃப் த எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 2.53. Find the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 1 and x minus y equal to minus 4 passing through the point 1, 1, 1. Intersection of planes என்ற வார்த்தையை பார்த்தீங்கன்னாவே first equation plus lambda into second equation equal to 0. The equation of first plane plus lambda into equation of second plane equal to 0. The first plane என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க, 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 1 becomes minus 1 plus lambda x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. First equation plus lambda into second equation 0. This is the equation of intersection of planes. Plane passing through intersection of planes. Intersection of planes. It passes through which part? The plane passes through which point given? What is the point given? 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 2 ones are 2, minus 3 plus 4 minus 1 plus lambda 1 minus 1 plus 4 equal to 0. 2 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. 4 lambda equal to minus 2, lambda equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute lambda equal to minus 1 by 2. 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 1 minus 1 by 2 of x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. 4x minus 6y plus 8z minus 2 minus x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. 2 multiply here, minus y multiply that. 4x minus x, 3x, minus 6y minus 5y plus 8z minus 6 equal to 0. 3x minus 5y plus 8z minus 6 equal to 0. இதே மாதிரி அடுத்த சம் பாருங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 2.54. Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes. Once again, the intersection of the planes means first equation, example number 2.54. First equation plus lambda into second equation equal to 0. And perpendicular to the plane 3x minus y minus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. What is the first plane? 2x minus 8y plus 4z minus 3 plus lambda into second equation. What is the second equation? 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 10 equal to 0. பாருங்க 2x minus 8y plus 4z minus 3, 3 lambda x, 5 lambda y, 4 lambda z plus 10 lambda equal to 0. X common வெளியேற்றமா 2 plus 3 lambda x plus minus 8 minus 5 lambda y plus 4 plus 4 lambda z minus 3 plus 10 lambda equal to 0. The intersection of planes perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to which plane? 3x minus y minus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. Perpendicular means L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. 2 plus 3 lambda into 3 plus minus 8 minus 5 lambda into minus 1. 4 plus 4 lambda into minus 2 equal to 0. 6 plus 9 lambda plus 8 plus 5 lambda minus 8 lambda equal to 0. 9 lambda plus 5 lambda, 14 lambda minus 8 lambda, 6 lambda equal to plus 8 minus 8 cancel, plus 6 equal to 0, lambda equal to minus 1. Substitute lambda equal to minus 1 here and simplify, will get the results. Two x minus 8y plus 4z minus 3 minus 1 into 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus 3x minus x minus 8y plus 5y minus 3y plus 4z minus 4z cancel. Minus 13 equal to 0. X plus 3y plus 13 equal to 0. So, intersection of plane means equation of first plane plus lambda into second plane equal to 0. Example number 2.53 என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா plane passing through the point. Passing through the point na that point substitute in the intersection of planes. Find the value of lambda, that value of lambda substitute in the intersection of plane. Simplify, you'll get the result. In example number 2.54, the intersection of planes perpendicular to another plane. Perpendicular means dot product equal to 0, otherwise x multiplied with x, y multiplied with y, z multiplied with z equal to 0. Don't consider constant. Find the value of lambda, that value of lambda, substitute in the problem, simplify, get the result. Is it clear? The same way you can solve all the problems. Example number 2.55, a plane passing through a point and parallel to the plane. Point is a vector, from the plane we will consider u vector and v vector, find the Cartesian equation, after that the same method. Example number 2.56, parallel planes already we did. Example number 2.57, find the equation of plane which contains the lines. Equation of the plane means only you have to find out the Cartesian equation. Two lines means one point. What is the Cartesian equation? Determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2 equal to 0. 2.58, it is very simple. 2.59, all the problems, nothing there. The next concept is, remaining example problem we will try. If you have any doubt, we will ask in the next class. Next, exercise number 2.10. Before going to 2.10, angle between the planes. Angle between the planes. R vector dot n1 vector equal to q1. R vector dot n2 vector equal to q2 means cos theta equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by modulus of n1 vector modulus of n2 vector. Two planes with the angle ketangna cos theta equal to n1 dot n2 divided by modulus of n1 n2. Second one, angle between the plane r vector dot n vector equal to q and the line r vector equal to a vector plus tb vector. Sin theta equal to b vector dot n vector by modulus b modulus n. Inge parallel vector b vector, normal vector n vector. Line and plane means sin theta, plane and plane means cos theta. Line and plane means sin theta, plane and plane cos theta. So, if two planes are perpendicular means n1 dot n2 equal to 0. n1 dot n2 equal to 0. Shall we go to exercise number 2.10? Sum number 1, there are 3 subdivisions given. I will do it only one problem. Find the angle between the planes. Angle between the planes, both are planes. என்ன சம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க, 2x plus y minus z equal to 7 equal to 9. Second equation, x plus 2y plus z equal to 7. The first vector equation r vector dot 2i plus j minus k equal to 9, r vector dot I plus 2j plus k equal to 7. ரெண்டுமே planes vector equation மாத்திரம். இப்போ இது எந்த ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு பாருங்க, r vector dot n1 vector equal to q1, r vector dot n2 vector equal to q2. அப்ப n1 vector என்னப்பா 2i plus j minus k. What is n2 vector? I plus 2j plus k. கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம் இல்லையா? அப்ப what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector by modulus of n1 vector modulus of n2 vector. n1 dot n2 என்ன பண்ணும்? I multiplied with I. n1 dot n2 என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2, minus 1 is 3. Modulus n1 vector என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, root 6. Modulus n2, root of 1 plus 4 plus 1. That is also root 6. So cos theta equal to என்ன எழுதலாம் பாருங்க 3 by root 6 into root 6. Cos theta equal to 3 by 6. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Theta equal to 60 degree. எழுதலாம் 5 by 3. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க ரெண்டு பிளேன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அத வெக்டர் ஈக்குவேஷனா மாத்திரம் n1 வெக்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் n2 வெக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம் cos theta formula n1 vector dot n2 vector by modulus n1 vector modulus n2 vector. You know how to find out n1 dot n2 modulus n1 modulus n2 cos theta substitute. Already நம்ம முன்ன படிச்ச அதே தான் a dot b by modulus a modulus b. அதே கான்செப்ட் தான். படிச்சலாமா? Sum number subdivision number 2 3 same method we will try. Sum number 2 நகர்றாங்க பாருங்க. So that the following planes are right angles. Right angles na dot product equal to 0. n1 dot n2 equal to 0 போடுங்க. You will get the result. பாருங்க அந்த sumல what is n1 vector? Sum number 2 ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. So that the following planes are right angles. R vector dot 2i minus j plus k equal to 15. R dot I minus j minus 3k equal to 3. n1 vector equal to 2i minus j plus k. What is n2? n2 is I minus j minus 3k. To prove that cut at right angles means find out n1 dot n2. n1 dot n2 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் என்ன பண்ணணும் I ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் 2 ones are 2 plus 1 minus 3 0. Therefore dot product equal to 0. The given planes are perpendicular. Sum number 3 same concept perpendicular find lambda same concept use பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிங்க ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். The last problem in exercise number 2.10. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க லாஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் 4th and 5th same type. I'll do it 4th 5th one நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க. x minus 2 by 3 x minus 2 by 3 equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 equal to z minus 3 by minus 2 and the plane 3x plus 4y plus z plus 5 equal to 0. Angle between the line and plane. From line we have to find out b vector. From plane n vector. B is parallel. Parallel taken from the denominator of the line. 3i minus j minus 2k. N vector. Normal vector from the plane. 3i plus 4j plus k. What is the formula? B dot sin theta equal to B vector dot n vector by modulus of B vector modulus of n vector. You know how to find out B dot n? 3 3s are 9. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 2. That is 3. Modulus B. root of 9 plus 4 plus, sorry, 9 plus 1 plus 4. என்ன போறோம்? root 14. Modulus n. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 1. Answer is 26. Sin theta equal to b dot n value 3 divided by root 14 into root 26. Sin theta equal to 3. 14 means 2 into 7. This is 2 into 13. Sin theta equal to 3 by 2. 91. Theta equal to sin inverse of 3 by 2, 91. கவனிங்க, ஒரு லைன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ஒரு பிளேன், லைன்ல இருந்து parallel vector, பிளேன்ல இருந்து நார்மல் வெக்டர். sin தீட்டாக்கு ஃபார்முலா தெரியும், b டாட் n கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியும், மாடுலஸ் b மாடுலஸ் n சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணுங்க, சிம்பிளை பண்ணுங்க, ஆன்சர் வந்துடும். லாஸ்ட் சம் இதே தான், வெக்டர் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. வெக்டர் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல லைன்ல இருந்து b வெக்டர் parallel வெக்டர், பிளேன்ல இருந்து n வெக்டர், ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தி சேம் ஃபார்முலா. ஸோ இந்த எக்ஸசைஸை பொறுத்தவரையிலும் 2.10ல ரெண்டு விதமாக தான் கேள்வி கேட்க முடியும். ஆங்கிள் பிட்வீன் தி பிளேன்ஸ் கேட்கலாம், ஆங்கிள் பிட்வீன் தி லைன் அண்ட் பிளேன் கேட்கலாம். ஆங்கிள் பிட்வீன் தி பிளேன்ஸ் கேட்டாங்கன்னா cos theta equal to n1 vector dot n2 vector by modulus n1 vector modulus n2 vector. இதே லைன் அண்ட் பிளேன் கேட்டாங்கன்னா sin theta equal to b vector dot n vector by modulus b vector modulus n vector. அப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, ஆன்சர் வந்துடும். இதே planes are perpendicular means n1 vector dot n2 vector equal to 0. இந்த கிளாஸை பொறுத்தவரை என்னென்னலாம் நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா, ரெண்டு லைன் கொடுத்துட்டு ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் பிளேன் கேட்டாங்கன்னா கார்ட்டீசியன் ஈக்குவேஷன் மட்டும் கண்டுபிடிச்சா போதுமானது. நோ நீட் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் வெக்டர் ஈக்குவேஷன். அதே மாதிரி ரெண்டு லைன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு கேன் வி டிரா த பிளேன் கேட்டாங்கன்னா ஜஸ்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு வெரிஃபை எய்தர் q லைன் ஆர் நாட். q லைனா இருந்தா we can't draw the plane. அதே மாதிரி ஒரு லைன் கொடுத்துட்டு பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்செக்ஷன், ஏதாவது ஒரு க்ளூ கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, xz பிளேன்னா y0, xy பிளேன்னா z0, yz பிளேன்னா x0 யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. பாயிண்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னாவே with help of Cartesian equation only we can able to find out the point of intersection, point on the line. So அடுத்தது parallel planes படிச்சோம். Distance between the parallel planes, distance from origin to the plane, distance from x1, y1, z1 to the plane. அடுத்தது intersection of planes means equation of first plane plus lambda into equation of second plane equal to 0. அதுல ரெண்டு விதமா கேள்வி கேட்கலாம். Passes through the point na just substitute the value of x, y, z, find the lambda. அல்லது intersection of plane perpendicular to another plane means அது ஜெனரல் ஃபார்மட்ல மாத்திட்டு x multiplied with x, y multiplied with y, z multiplied with z. ஏன்னா இது மாதிரி ஒர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க, கண்டிப்பா உங்களால எல்லா ப்ராப்ளமும் சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். 90% ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம் நம்ம இப்போ கிளாஸ்லேயே முடிச்சிட்டோம். ரிமைனிங் 10% ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம் வீட்டில் போய் ஒர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க. மறுபடியும் சொல்ற, மேக்ஸை பொறுத்தவரையிலும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் ப்ராக்டிஸ் ப்ராக்டிஸ், then only you will feel easy. So please continue the practice. You feel comfortable in mathematics class. Definitely, if you follow this method, you can reach the maximum mark in the public examination. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.